eyes, these beautiful, beautiful organs that enable us to see. Isn't this nice? But in painting miniatures, there's nothing that makes me sweat more when I'm painting miniatures than painting these eyes. Even if I just do a really basic paint job and just put a dot into the eye, it is so absolutely nerve-wracking. And usually with my Death Guard, I just put a helmet on, or with my Knights, as you can see, they have either really big lenses or they just have tentacles like this one. So with Death Guard, I just put helmets on, but I'm currently painting my Tyranids army, and big surprise, they don't have helmets. So the only thing I can do is paint eyes, and I painted 40 Hormagaunts, and the 40 Hormagaunts, they have 80 eyes. Some of them don't have 2 eyes, some of them only have 1, so it's like 76 eyes or whatever. But oh my god, if you want to see me struggle through that, watch the video.
But before we can get in the fun of painting eyes, I had to base coat all of the 40 Hormagaunts first. That took hours and hours. As you can see, I'm painting the green carapace now. And it's... I think every single one took like maybe 20 minutes to this part. And then I paint the teeth here. And then the fun begins. I botched this one totally here, and then I went back with a wet brush and tried to fix it. And then next one here, I also failed on that one, painted it outside, and then I just took a second brush that has some water in it. And then I was able to wipe away the eye again. And then you have to set it aside and let that one dry, because if you paint the eye in there again, and if you go in while the paint is still wet, then the color will just, on the surface tension of the water, just dissolve, and the whole eye will be wasted again. So you have to dry and wait till the eye is dry. So I'm doing the second eye now. Sometimes even I got an eye for an eye. And I have to thank my dad for filming those eye shots when I was painting the eyes, because he was filming that while I was painting it, because it was hard enough to paint it. I couldn't have done that with my camera on the tripod or on some other contraption I built. So thank you so much, Dad. I did this, let's say 76 times in a row. Fun! But the fact of the matter is that they look just so much better when they have the eyes painted in a different color, so they're popping out. So here is the time lapse. It looks much easier in the time lapse, and this took me a few hours as well. But yeah, they are all painted yellow in the end, and yeah. So yeah, with tiny eyes like on the Tyranids, I'm really struggling to do that. But with bigger ones, like on my Nurgle trees, you can see those trees, on my Nurgle trees here. They have big bulbous eyes, and that's pretty easy to do for me. You have a lot of room to put a pupil in, an iris, and a reflection dots, and then put some glaze over it. Or on bigger miniatures like Mortarion or stuff like that, it's much easier for me to do that. But on those tiny dots on the Tyranids, oh my god, I hated that so much. Or like just on that Great Unclean One here, I just painted the eye in a solid color, and the eye is big enough to do that. But I had to get straight back into it after a few hours of rest after the painting of the eyes. I got into the edge highlighting step, and that one takes about 8 to 10 minutes every single Hormagaunt, and I have 40 of them, so I was not able to completely finish it. I did 10, and then after the 10 were finished, I needed some different activity, so I put the texture paste on the bases of the 10, and that was pretty easy because they are like leaping, and when the leaping makes it much easier to spread the basing material around, and you can see I'm doing that right now. But yeah, I painted 5 more in the edge highlighting step after that. But that was all I was capable of this week, and I have to cut this video as well. So yeah, that was it for this week. So this week I tried to make a dent into those 40 Hormagaunts. I fully painted 15 of them,
25 of them are basically kind of battle ready, you could say. But yeah, it's 40 of them. So what did you expect? It takes a long time. So the last highlight step took around 10 minutes. So I need to really paint next week and then the week after, 2 weeks. Big progress. That's my goal. So here we go. So my least favorite part now was painting the eyes of the models. I'm not sure why I did that, but I painted all 40 models, all of the eyes in one go. So I made a few breaks in between because I was sweating bullets because sitting there doing this and for filming as well. But I've done all of the 80 eyes and oh my god, but it looks so much better. What can you do? It's not much you can do. You have to paint them. Paint your eyes. Paint your eyes and suffer like I did.